Hi everyone, we are back with another question of GS paper 1 2018 and the question is, consider the following pairs terms sometimes seen in the news context or topic. The first one is Belly second experiment, that is artificial intelligence. Second is blockchain technology, that is digital or cryptocurrency. Third one is CRISPR-Cas9, that is particle physics. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? Option A 1 and 3, option B 2 only, option C 2 and 3, option D 1, 2 and 3. And the correct answer is B. And the explanation for the B is the blockchain is an undeniable igneous invention which created a backbone of a new type of internet, originally devised for the digital currency Bitcoin.